Hello guys, my name is Chris and this is Z. We are all the way from Australia, Perth, and today we've been making Luroufan as well as the soup, and it tastes fantastic, and we're about to try our soup today, and all thanks to Alex today, which is fantastic. Yes, we also visited the market earlier and had some friendly people over there, and we were very happy to be here.
We started the day with an introduction to the neighborhood, and that was very interesting. We learned about the history of the place. We got to meet the friendly locals at the market. We were shown, what produce was there. It was all very interesting and educational. And then we came for the cooking class, and that was equally good. We learned a lot about cooking. The soup so far tastes great. We're waiting for our Luroufan to be cooked, and hopefully that tastes great as well.
I'm sure it tastes amazing. I'm sure it tastes amazing. And all thanks to our teacher.
So you guys like this cooking class?
Fantastic. I would
Definitely recommend.
Thank you very much.